Well, we're going to find out if Robbie sees that guy. So here's the deal. He's going to get to pick a number 0, which would be that one, through 25, that one being 1, and this one being 25. If he picks up, he can give me a number, and he gets, because now he's, you know, big boy sponsored by Innova. And so he gets to pick randomly which Firebird he wants. Call Robbie Crawford. Hello, and welcome back to another Overthrow Disc Golf video. Today, you are privileged to see the unboxing of never-before-seen Nate Sexton Firebirds. Let us begin. Original order confirmation for my records. For their protection and yours. The preparations are complete. Firebird number 1. Blurple. Fantastic. Amazing. Baggy. That thing looks sick, though. Sorry. That is so nasty. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How are we doing it? Dude, that looks sick. Number 2. Golly, dude! That's ridiculous, actually. I'm just gonna do this the whole time. This thing is almost clear. See through, totally different. Bag it. Dude. Okay. Dude, those looks amazing. Dude, another clearish one. It's insane. Bag it. I know. They're all getting bagged, so. That first one is money. Number 4. Very similar to number 3. Cool. Bag it. Sick. Dude, I'm loving these. I'm loving these blurple ones. For real. Holy cow, the blue shatter stamp on that. Dude, that's insane. Those are by far my favorites. Number 1 and number 5. Blurple again. I have a feeling that a lot of them are going to be blurple, but look at that cotton candy swirls in there. Dude, that's so sick. Boop. Call this standard right here. A little bit of flashing. It's gone now. Just your standard. Maggie. The seafoam one. Make sure a little tabby tap stays there. That's sick. I love how see-through these things are. Same thing, basically the same disc right here. A little less clear. Bag it. Okay, very similar. But it's got this sick little gold foil on it. I actually like that, but I like the blue shatter a little bit more on that other seafoam one. All right, back into the blurple. Dang. Dude, this black stamp is so sick. We got another black stamp over there, right? I remember in earlier runs, they didn't have black stamps because Nate kept them all for himself, which was a good call, honestly. That's sick. Baby. This thing's nasty. This one's purple. It's just straight up purple with some blue swirls in it. It's not blurple though. It's a different color. With the blue shatter stamp that I love. Dude, I wonder which of these are the more rare, because it used to be that you got everything seafoam, and then like the pinks and stuff like that, those were the ones that were really coveted. And so now I feel like these are more commonplace, obviously, because I've got almost a little less than half of them with some purple mixed in. This is so cool. This one's cool. It's a blurple, but it's got like a double halo going on. Outside, inside, boom. Got that sick color divide. Love it. In the back, you can see the pink swirls in there. Even better. Nasty. Gold foil. Redonkulous. Ooh, the next one after this one looks nice. This is a standard. Nice little blue. Little bit of light pink purplish in the flight plate. Gold foil. Feel like that's pretty run of the mill there. Still sick though. Boom. I love the red foil. I love it all. We got a couple red foils. I don't know why this one pops. Maybe it's because the color is just like one color in neutral. Gee, I'm trying to think about which one's my favorite so far. Same thing. Very, very similar to the last one. Red foil. Yeah, almost the same disc. Is this a black stain? I dig it. I dig it. A little more clear than the last couple. A little darker blue. The black stamp is just so clean. Dude, makes that blurple. Here you go. Makes that blurple with the black stamp even nicer. The cotton candy swirl over there. Are these... Is this another blackie? Yeah! This is like the seafoam version of what we just had. I dig it. Dig it big time. Elbow's getting pretty deep in the box here. Huzzah! Okay. Interesting. Very standard Firebird color with the gold foil. So we got a couple standards here. We got a blue standard, a seafoam standard, another seafoam standard, with just the gold foil. Shoop. This is nice. Blue with the cotton candy swirls. Very see-through. Like some of the others. There's just a nice thing about having the see-through ones. Gold foil. That was good. We were running into a couple normal ones there for a second. I mean, they're all amazing, but some of them were just more amazing. Seafoam base, cotton candy swirls. Look at the pinks coming in here with that little blue shatter. It's the best. Whoop. Nice little blue swirls in this one. The red shatter stamp. And that was the last bag, or this is the last bag? This is the last bag. I've got to get more. Love this, that clearish Seafoam with the black. I love the black. And we have run out of bags, so I'm gonna put it here. Last two, grabbing them both at once. That's clean. Last one of the clearest ones with the black stamp. I love that. I love the clearish with the black. So clean. Boom, that was it. That was 25 Firebirds. Unboxed. I bought them off of a guy named Phil. So I didn't buy all these from the factory for myself. I bought them off of a guy named Phil. And why not? That's sick. Now, oh yeah, Phil also sent me, it's kind of a bonus, one of these 2018s, I believe. What? I'm pretty sure it's not a 2019. No, it's a 2018. 17 is before this, yeah. So one of these 2018s as a bonus for buying the lot here, which I'm extremely happy with. Now, for a little fun. You know when you have your friends that you're like, this person never picks up. Like, they're just the worst at picking up their phone. Well, we're gonna find out if Robbie sees that guy. So here's the deal. He's gonna get to pick a number 0, which would be that one, through 25, that one being 1, and this one being 25. If he picks up, he can give me a number, and he gets, because now he's, you know, big boy sponsored by Innova. And so he gets to pick randomly which Firebird he wants. Call Robbie Crawford.
Calling Robbie Crawford.
He gets one chance, by the way. It's looking good for me.
Hello there. You've reached the cell phone of Robbie
Yes.
Crawford. Unfortunately, I am not on the phone right now, but if you'll leave your name and number along with a message, I will get back to you as soon as possible. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Robbie, this is your buddy Josh. Just doing a video right now. If you were on the phone and it picked up my call, you would have been able to pick a random number, 0 through 25, which was associated with a Firebird. And then you would have got that Firebird. But since you didn't, sucks to suck. And I'm keeping them all. Peace out. All right, well, we're going to outro it with these sweet views of these discs. And go ahead and sub to Robbie, since he didn't get a Firebird, so he might as well get a sub. All right, if you feel bad for him. If you don't feel bad for him, then don't go sub over there. And if you know which stamps and combos and all that are more valuable than the others, or more rare than the others, I should say, comment below, all you crazy Firebird people. I guess that's me included, because I got a whole flock here. Well, this was fun. We'll see you later.